Welcome to CyberLex Blue Team Academy, where defenders are forged. Sharpen your instincts. Step into the role. Season 2. Security Operations starts now. Some issues return quietly. Some return loudly. And some return in a way that makes you feel like you're seeing a ghost. Today, it's a ghost. You're reviewing your weekly vulnerability scan results. Everything looks predictable, old findings closing out, new ones appearing in low-risk areas, until one entry stops you. Critical vulnerability, previously marked as remediated, same host, same CVE, same severity. But this can't be right. This finding was closed last month, documented, validated, signed off. Yet here it is, resurrected like it never left. Most analysts scroll past. You don't. Because in security operations, a vulnerability reappearing isn't a scanner mistake, it's a signal. You pull the remediation ticket from last month. Patch deployed. System rebooted. Validation screenshot attached. Status verified. Everything looks legitimate. So, why is the scanner detecting the same vulnerability today? You compare fingerprints. The OS version matches. The patch level does not. Somehow, the host is missing the update it received. There are only 3 possibilities. The patch never applied correctly. The system was rolled back automatically. Something or someone removed the patch. Your pulse steadies. This just became a real investigation. You check the patch management logs. They show the patch was pushed once. You check reboot history. Only one reboot. But it was 2 weeks later than expected. You check the last login records. An automation account accessed the system outside of the normal maintenance window. You check recent process execution. A configuration management agent pulled an outdated baseline, a baseline older than the patch. And in that moment, everything becomes clear. The system reverted to a previous, unpatched state. Not malicious, not intentional, but dangerous all the same. Because an attacker who sees an unpatched system doesn't care whether it happened by mistake. To them, it's an invitation. You escalate immediately, apply the patch again, validate manually, check for related vulnerabilities across the environment, audit configuration agents for drift, update baseline templates so this never repeats, document the regression for the vulnerability report. Most people think vulnerability management is just scanning and patching. But real defenders know it's detect, analyze, remediate, validate, and validate again. Because vulnerabilities don't stay fixed just because the ticket says so. This scenario reflects one of the most important truths in security operations. Anything can drift, baselines, configurations, and even remediations. The vulnerability didn't come back. It never truly left. And you caught it before an attacker did. This is episode 3 of the Security Operations Scenario Series. You've been training inside CyberLex Blue Team Academy. Stay sharp, stay ready. Learn more at CyberLex Learning.